Hello and welcome back. Today we are drawing a whale. W for whale. Let's start with a circular shape. So that's half a circle. Now a curve from back joining the upper circle. And now we'll draw a flipper. Done. Now from flipper to the bottom of the curve and from the tail end to the bottom curve again. Good. Now at the tail end, the whale has two flukes. We are drawing one and a second one now. Done. Now we missed a flipper. Let's draw the other one. Here. Now time to draw the eyes. Circle. Another small circle. Fill it up. Same for the other one. Circle. Another small circle. Fill it up. Now a smile. And whale has a blowhole. So we can draw two water drops coming out of it. So let's draw one and two. Done. This is your cute big whale. Great work. Now how do we draw the letter W? It's like two V's. So one slant line, another up, that's one V, and another V. This is the letter W. W is for whale. Excellent work. See you in the next one.